Hi friends, this is Akhil Reddy from Akhil Reddy Technologies. Today I will teach you how to download Teamviewer and install. Just go to Mozilla Firefox, just type Google, just go to fileippo.com. You can get all the softwares here, fileippo.com. Click on Fileippo, just type Teamviewer. No, here is no icon, so just Teamviewer. Just enter, just click on second link. Just click on free download. Save the setup, double click on it, click on OK, click on run. It will take only 2 to 3 minutes. Just whenever you're installing Teamviewer, just keep the mark, just keep the mark, just personal and non-commercial use. Whenever you are keeping the mark company or commercial, so they will charge the amount. So whenever you are installing, just keep the mark personal or non-commercial use. Click on finish. It will take only 1 minute. Within 1 minute, you can download and install your TeamViewer. And using this TeamViewer, you can talk with your friends and you can send the files and you can access your friends' desktops and laptops. It is very useful software in nowadays. Okay, friends, just watch my videos and subscribe me. Thank you.